1.html is there. So we have not yet worked till now on image, videos and audios. So it's pretty simple. We have a concept of iframe which comes directly with the video which you are watching on. For example, here I'm going with this one.
Hi, my name is Paul Buckos, and
So just what you have to do is you have to right click over here and you have to make sure you're going with the embedded code. Just place this will work for the videos. Iframe. So I want you guys to work on this one. This is a very high level thing. I can understand it's not that easy and it cannot be developed in a single day. So, but I want you guys to work on this one. At least take two menus here, three menus. We capture some screenshots on this. 1, 2, 3. And we have to work on integration of code. What does it mean? Okay, so it means like, for example, you have worked on upper half part and other guy has worked on second half part. So when you try to integrate a code, your code with his code, there will be a lot of conflicts between the CSS. JavaScript errors will get because you will use some ID and he will also use some ID without any awareness. So there will be many challenges in that case. So we have to work on that side also. So this is what happens in the real time scenario. When we work in the IT sector, the work will be divided between the team members, and the work will be finally assembled in a single page. So that time there will be a lot of conflicts that all we have to cover here. Rakesh, I want you to design this upper part up to here, and Raj will take care of designing this thing. Let me quickly take this snap. Second side. Yeah, Prashant is also there, right? I have to give something to him as well. So let me explain the functional flow over here. Hmm. Yeah. Sure. This snap is also, and here. Perfect. And here. Course content is there. Sample videos are there. So anyone can convey this to Prashant. It should work is at this level, tell him to either go for one diff, if not diff, go for one HTML here. Fine.
Okay, sir.
And this accordion should be there. When I click on plus, it should expand. When I click on minus, it should collapse. If it's failing for this plus and minus, I don't have any concern. We'll take this one in jQuery again, but it will be appreciated if we can do that. And for this, I will take a snap for this as well. And for this, sample videos snap. There's nothing on this, and here, like this, he has to display something. Now, let me divide the work. So, Raj, let me share your screens here, Raj. Hmm. Extra. Copy, paste this one, and this one, and this is not related to you. How about this? This is not related to you. Yeah, this is related to you. Top screen, four screens. So, Raj, have a look over here. If you have any questions, you can ask. So, this upper menu bar you have to design, and when I place a cursor here, so I should get this second screen there. this one I should get. So all individuals I have captured. When I place a cursor on resources, I should get resources drop down, and when I place a cursor at search, I should get a search drop down. Please have a look on that. Ask me if you have any questions on that. And Rakesh, this is not for Rakesh, that is for Prashant. So Rakesh, you have to design this screen here. Here you have to again go for home, DevOps, and this should be the hyperlink. And this you have to design, and appreciate it if you get this logo very well. If not, it's not a problem. And here you have to give this rating star, and you have to place a video here. Make sure when I load, the video should be stopped and it should be in a fixed width and height. And at the sidebar, you have to go for this contact us, get offer, and you have to give this one as well. Let me capture this. This one is getting trunk over here. Let me capture this. Before that, let me send you this. Now it comes to Prashant. Uh, for Prashant, I have given this one. This tabs he has to work on. He has to display the content based on clicking on tab. If he's not able to do that, at least tell him to fill this in a div and try to display in an HTML file. So, mm, yeah, this one. Guys, you might get a thought like I'm making you to develop one product for my sake. So let me tell you, this product has been already implemented by some the batch like you. I have given this product to them and they have implemented this one. So if you see here, we have already this product ready with us. Why I'm giving you also is it's for the practice purpose. So unless you work on the real time scenarios, you will not learn the subject. This you have to remember. Please have a look at your snaps and let me know if you have any questions. Are you with me or we left?
Yeah, there.
Okay. So what is your view on this? Will this be helpful if you work on this one or how you want to go? Because we should be in sync. There should not be any gap. You might get frustrated. What is
We'll
this?
do.
Again and again, we are getting assignments and assignment.
We'll do this.
Okay. So, how much time do you need for completing this, guys? I do understand it's a bit challenging. It's not really easy, which cannot be built in an hour or in a day.
Maybe Wednesday, right? By Friday evening, we are gonna have a class, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that class.
Okay, perfect. So, any other questions you have? Have you looked at the screens? Any
Yes,
challenges
yes,
you
sir.
have faced while working on this one? Alignment issue or
Uh,
XYZ?
can I just open my one once? My what I sent last.
Okay. Uh, this one, right?
Yeah.
This one only. Or you have any other latest one?
No, not this one. I have sent the other one. That one, the last one I sent. It's page 3 HTML, I guess, in your
Okay.
system.
Let me check this one, correct?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if you see this one under the names, if you see that legal name Jennifer Embler and all those things,
Mm-hmm.
if you inspect that one, sir, the edit button over there, I have aligned it over there using margin. Just inspect that one. It's like me. Not sure how I did it, but I did it like that. I don't
Okay,
know whether it's the correct way to do that way. You can see the alignment over there, right? Like it's all the way top left corner, and I dragged it here using margins, margin left and bottom.
correct, correct. You have applied the margin left and margin bottom you have applied. So it's perfect, dude. So do you
It's
think,
fine.
yeah, it's perfect. So let
Okay.
me,
And one more thing I faced is like I have given the for the legal name and stuff. Since we have to edit that thing, I just give them input blocks. It's not a div over there. It's just input blocks. I mean, you can just place the cursor over there and it's input block. I don't know, man. I mean, since
oh, okay, you have given an input over here. Yeah, it's
yeah,
awesome. Very good concept. I thought it is a diff, but going forward, if we make it a clickable over here, so it will open in an input block. Yeah, perfect. So it will be in the
this
editable
is
mode.
fine. The other thing is like since I mean I dragged it down using margins. I cannot align it properly, like in the middle of the box. I mean, if I'm trying to do to any div to align it in the middle of the box, both the inputs. Um, I cannot do it. Like, I mean, I tried, but it's getting disturbed all the time.
So you align the text in that input box or what?
No, not the align the text in, not about the text. I want to align those boxes in the middle, basically in the middle of the thing, whole
Okay.
thing.
Okay, this should be, you mean to say here you are getting this huge gap here, right?
Yeah,
This gap you want to reduce. Correct me if I'm wrong.
yeah, that's good.
Okay. So one reason is you have used container multiple time.
Okay,
So let me check that. And so this is complete one. Let me check the CSS here. Hmm. This we have to with 30% margin 50 this one margin apply input anyway. With 30%. Yeah, this delete is taking this space. Let me check that. So you have used multiple divs over there. So because of that also it is not applying it. Allowing you. Now this edit we have to send it at the top. Hmm. So each element is taking some area here, you can see, right? So it should be position. You please deal more on position. We have relative, absolute. Please try to differentiate that one. This will help you to avoid this type of confusions. Let me fix this. It's not as easy thing. Yes, this goes here.
Or do you think all the edit and delete buttons, if they're in one div, it's gonna be good,
Yeah, that will
and
be
if
better.
they're all in inline?
Correct, correct. It should be in one. And the container, diff container, you should use at the top level only. The one which your Bootstrap is giving. So this needs to be checked more on this. So what is happening here is it is taking this entire component. So this is taking one entire component. So that is also one reason why you are getting the spacing and you are not able to align it at the center.
Yeah. So basically, one line, if something is there in one line, I have to give them in one div, right?
Yeah, you can give in if you are giving in multiple, you have to make sure that you are giving a position as relative.
Okay.
So if you
So I have a small doubt, sir. What is the difference if I give relative and absolute? I mean, what gonna be the difference?
if you specify absolute means it will be a fixed path. It will not override over there. For example, here
Okay.
you have this and one more div you have, and if you make that another component as absolute means it will be at this fixed part. Relative means it will find a
Okay.
space here, it will come over there. One more relative means it will come to the next.
Okay. Okay.
So you
Okay.
just
So then let me fix this thing. I mean, I'm gonna fix it myself then.
okay. So try for this one. So basically, what I understand from here is this is the reason here why this is taking huge area over here is you have specified
Okay.
some inline CSS here. This should cause a problem because you can see, right, the brown color which is appearing on screen here when I am placing a cursor. So brown color area which is displaying over there. So that is only a big problem. You can just give this as background color. Brown. So this is the one, and the upper one. So you do one thing, one helping note I can say over here is you give some colors to the area so that you will come to know, you can catch it easily
Okay.
which area is occupying up to what extent.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow we'll meet again to check the status on this, and then we will be moving to the scripting. When I say when we move to the scripting, in scripting we have lot to do, and as I said, scripting is a back end and designing is the front end. So whatever you do in the scripting, that will be hidden, it will be placed at the back end. Back end means it's not a Java, it will be there in your browser only, but it will be hidden. We will see that one as well.
Okay.
So any questions you have on this? So
No, sir.
first thing what we will do in the regular call is we will see the status where you are standing on this assignment, and then we'll proceed further. I will take you to some advanced topics of HTML further, and don't be in hurry burry. Take your time, do it well. I'm not going to leave you, you're not going to leave me until we are done with everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay? ठीक है चलो guys.
Yes, sir.